Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever the case may be for you. This is Rusty with the Masters Lawn Care with another quick tip on Gainesville lawns. Today we're talking about viburnum shrubs, specifically sweet viburnum or Viburnum Odoratismum, common shrub here in Gainesville and throughout North Florida landscapes. Great privacy shrub. We've done videos on that before. But here as we go into fall and get in closer to winter, we tend to get some red leaves like these right here, and we get a lot of questions about that. So I want to make sure we get those answered for you. So one of the most common questions we get in Gainesville about viburnum as the weather turns cold is, why are the leaves turning red? Is that a pest? Is that a fungus? Is it a disease? Is my plant beginning to die? And we get a lot of calls about that this time of year, and just wanted to make sure we get that answered for you. We don't get a lot of leaf color change in North Florida, and really throughout Florida, it kind of goes from full grown summer to winter pretty harsh. And so we don't get a lot of leaves that really turn colors. And this is one of the few. So there's nothing to worry about with this red color. The red color is just genuinely the temperature change and the effects it's having in the plant. And so there's nothing to be concerned about. It's just something to enjoy and get a little fall color. Once again, this is Rusty with Masters Lawn Care. If there's anything we can do for you here in Gainesville, Florida, please give us a call, 378-5296. Otherwise, feel free to reach out via email. We're on Facebook, Instagram, all the social media accounts. Reach out and ask us a question. We'd love to help. Have a great day.